Hey man, how's it going?
Hi.
You're right, you seem a bit different today.
I was just on the internet, you know, it's a completely different world.
I think you mean world.
What if? You know, there's this new slang-a-lang everyone's talking. It's called internet.
Well, I've been twittering on my phone 10 new mentions.
What ifs, man? This chick just tweeted me a picture of a banana.
What's a banana?
It's a VBD.
I don't even understand what you're saying.
Oh, you know, it was just FHO.
Frequently hyperactive.
Friends hanging out. Just DBA next time.
You are so impossible, Justin. Half an hour ago, you were acting fine.
Well, WIWWY.
I'm just gonna carry on watching my pirate movie.
NP. BT dubs, bro. This chick just totally said she wanted the vitamin D with a big thumbs up.
What'd you say?
Well, I don't have any vitamins because I never really get sick. So I'm just gonna say YOLO.
Pretty sure that's out of context.
Should add a hashtag. Hashtag YOLO. Haha, smiley face. Hey, okay.
You know, there are many grammar Nazis who'll take serious action against you.
Well, not ATM. You know, I'm not a trollolololo.
You're so impossible. I'm putting this on the naughty zone.
I'm just SMHing now, man. Just SMHing. Just making me so angry.
I'm trying to watch my movie, Justin. It has Jack Sparrow, and it's about pirates.
Does it involve a ship?
Are you blind? Can you not see they are standing on a ship?
No, like shipping.
Yes, there is shipping.
You know, sometimes I just wonder, Warren. You're just such a derp. Just too many feels right now.
Thanks a lot, Justin. I really need new friends.
Just can't deal anymore, Warren. I can't deal. Just totally going on my Twitter, Facebook, and MySpace and Google+. Hashtag selfie.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that Justin!
Warren!
Leave me alone!
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
I found the vitamin D.
What?
The vitamin D. I'm gonna go give it to that girl. It was in my cupboard. I'm so excited. The vitamin.
I'm with you.